Hey, everyone, welcome back to Foodie Cook. Today, we're making Thai peanut noodle stir-fry. Let's dive right in. For this mouth-watering dish, you'll need 8 ounces of your favorite noodles, 1 cup of colorful bell peppers, thinly sliced, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 medium carrot, julienne, 1 cup of snap peas, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for stir-frying. Optional protein, cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Chopped peanuts and fresh cilantro for garnish. Now, let's whip up that irresistible Thai peanut sauce. In a bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 garlic clove, minced, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Alright, it's time to get cooking. Heat up a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and let it shimmer. Toss in the colorful bell peppers, broccoli, carrot, and snap peas. Stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until the veggies are slightly tender yet still crisp. Now add the cooked and drained noodles to the pan. Pour that Thai peanut sauce all over the noodles and veggies. Give it a good toss to coat everything evenly. Sprinkle a handful of chopped peanuts and fresh cilantro leaves for a delightful crunch. And there you have it, our Thai peanut noodle stir-fry is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe.